And we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
Well, if you like offense, you're going to get it in this one.
Life doesn't get any better than this.
Well, I know one thing. This Dallas crowd has high expectations, and I know this match will not disappoint.
Just brings him down to the mat with authority there. You see it all in WWE, biting, scratching, and punching like right there.
Those are all the moves you used on me in our WrestleMania match, Cole.
He's starting to stumble here. He's really going to need to create some space for himself.
But it's important to know that this match has been so evenly contested so far. You really can't pick a winner.
And on top of that, John, these two guys couldn't be any more evenly matched at this point.
Look at this.
Man, we got a lot of match left.
Can you believe the endurance of this guy? Can you believe what he's withstood here tonight? This is a wreck. He's moving like an uncaged animal.
No lie, he's wild in there.
Oh, man, Scott Dawson was just leveled there.
You know, Cole, he's got to be careful not to go to the well too many times. You do remember wells, don't you, Michael?
Not really, but you are from Tennessee, so I get your reference. You still use them.
Yeah, but I don't go there too many times. And he reversed it. Good move there.
Well, I've never seen him do that before.
And there's the reversal. Boy, did he get dropped or what?
He gets out of trouble there.
Man, a ferocious blow.
Scott Dawson is a force within the ring.
He was one step ahead on that one. Man, somebody's going to be sore in the morning.
Things have gotten worse for Scott Dawson. He could be out of this competition.
Scott Dawson cannot be feeling good about the predicament he's in here.
You can almost see the confidence starting to drain from his face.
Jeez, this is not a very good spot for him.
With this kind of attack, you have to wonder just how much longer they can compete in this match.
Yeah, I completely agree. The way things are going in there, I'd say not much longer. My gosh, this is a beating.
A quick reversal by Scott Dawson.
That's a move that'll knock you out cold.
Looks like he's starting to sweat now. This could be the start of an ugly downward spiral if he's not careful.
But Michael, he's looked so good throughout this entire match. I don't expect this to be very much of a setback for him.
Yeah, but I wouldn't get too concerned for him. I'd still say he's in a very favorable position.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries.
No kidding, this is going to need some serious medical attention. He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup. Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Scott Dawson is definitely injured. We can see blood now. uses it. What a move.
This is insane. Does this building have a curfew? I feel like we might be here all night. What a beating.
He's really done a number on him thanks to moves like that. Well, this might be the worst yet.
Man, that got him good. He landed a perfectly placed strike. That'll send a message to your adversary, all right.
Right, and the message reads PAIN.
Can't just look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight. He hits a sweet combination.
He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here. These competitors trying to keep their wits about them.
Well, Cole, it's so important not to lose your cool in a match like this, not to lose your focus. You make a mistake, and I guarantee you, your opponent is going to capitalize on it.
I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal.
Brutal and very, very painful for these guys.
Scott Dawson able to get out of the way. Displaying a wide range of offense here. And here's Scott Dawson setting up his opponent. John, we've seen this, the inverted figure four leg lock.
It's all over.
What? Whoa! And he fights his way out.
He was able to reverse that. Scott Dawson seems to have found an answer here. And he brings his leg crashing down. He was one step ahead on that one. Quit running your mouth and let them do this thing.
Scott Dawson looks to be in some pretty bad trouble here. How can he get out of this mess? He'll need to find a way to turn things around here.
I completely agree. And if I'm him right now, I'm starting to get a little concerned.
Man, you can almost see the pride on the faces in the ring right now, Cole. I mean, I don't anticipate anybody rolling over in this one, do you?
No, not at all. Well, that messed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot. He saw that one coming.
He's inflicting some serious pain here.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
And he's in a tough predicament. I don't believe the destruction we're seeing.
This guy's just going from one painful move to another. He may have to tap out right here.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
Well, man, he's going off here. I don't know if this is by design or if he just lost his mind.
Yeah, I think he's stuck on the repeat button. He anticipated that move perfectly.
Nice reversal. Unleashing it for the second time now. I don't remember the last time he executed that maneuver.
What's he up to here? The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet.
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
When this guy's on, look out.
What an attack. The animosity levels of this match just continue to rise. Make no mistake about it. This is a war. This is an all-out war.
I don't know if we've seen that from him before. I mean, it's